enough to lift a big boulder.
Yes, I am, sir. Watch this. Sorry?
Hey, quiet over there. She's lifting a boulder.
Where do I put such boulders?
Right here in the cup.
Boulder in the cup?
Yeah.
I've seen this on YouTube.
Drop it in there. Just drop your large boulder in there.
I'm dropping my large boulder in there. Sorry?
Look a lot bigger from over there.
You did.
Yes. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we have to wheel this giant contraption over to the castle wall.
All
All
right.
right, ready? We have to push. Okay, this isn't getting us anywhere. All these mice over here. Get away! Go! Go back to the moon! Shoo! I'll put you in the catapult. All right, now let's push this giant catapult.
Oh, I just made me think of something. That's why the mice were here. The catapult. Moving on.
There's this lever right here. And when we pull the lever down, the pressure that has been built up by the catapult will fling the giant boulder and crash through those walls.
Question?
Yes, you in front.
May I go with the boulder, sir?
You want to ride on the boulder?
I want to ride on the boulder.
Sir, you will be commended for this action. This bravery is insane.
I'm sure I'll be creamed as well, but anything for my country.
Sorry, the lavalier mark's on the other side. Yes, okay. All right, now just climb on top. All right, get comfy. Now, I'm going to pull this giant mechanical lever down.
I'm ready, sir.
Here we go.
Wait, first I have a motto that I must scream in honor of my name.
Okay, scream into the heavens, soldier.
I will.
And you did it in your native tongue.
Yes, I did.
Wonderful. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Any last requests?
No, I'll just give you a wink and a nod.
Ah.